Why do volcanoes erupt? Hey there, little explorers. Have you ever wondered why volcanoes erupt? Well, imagine a soda can full of bubbles. When the bubbles can't escape, the pressure builds up and poppy, the soda explodes. Volcanoes work in a similar way. Inside the Earth, there's a lot of hot melted rock called magma. When magma pushes up to the surface, the pressure is so high that it causes an eruption, shooting lava, ash, and gas into the air. It's like a giant earth burp. So, next time you see a volcano in a movie or book, just remember, it's nature's way of letting off steam. What would you do if you saw a volcano erupting? Stay safe, of course.